crunchy, homemade fish sticks and dipping sauce. Try it out, guys. Best you've ever had. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and take this cod here and we're going to cut it in like that. Like that. Now what you want to do is turn it this way and you just want to cut them in strips. Like that. And these peel right apart. And there's your fingers right there. There's your fish sticks. Do it to the rest of these. When we come back, start the next part. Okay, now get some eggs here. Then mix it in. Put them to the side. Next one is some flour. Put that in there. That cilantro and that lime really jump out and get you right in the nose. And I got a little bit of seasoned breadcrumbs. I didn't have any plain breadcrumbs. We had to go with seasoned. First things first. Take your fish sticks. Roll them in the flour. Knock off the excess. Roll them inside the egg. Knock off the excess. Put them in the breadcrumbs. And there you have it, guys. Breadcrumbs. Put them to the side. Rinse and repeat. Alright, guys, so got my Hamilton Beach here. I got the oil in there already. Got it already heated. Little green lights on. Go ahead and cook these fish sticks up. Remember, never overload your pan. Only put a couple in here at a time. As they say, never overload the swimming pool. You want all the kids to be able to get in there. Alright guys, these are going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when they come out, we're going to make a sauce. Alright guys, so while the rest of these fish are cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick little sauce here. Got some mayonnaise. It's a great little dipping sauce. Go with about half a cup. Got some sweet relish here. About a tablespoon. Now, got that cilantro, lime, salt and pepper. A little bit of that in there. And just a splash of lemon juice. About that much. All right. Get these last few in. Let's mix this sauce. That cilantro lime, so good. There you go. Sauce is done. A little taste test. Oh yeah. That's good. Alright, we'll come back, get the rest of these done, and we'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, we're done here. Alright, getting a taste test going on here. There's my dipping sauce. Cod. That's it right there, guys. That's the sauce. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.